If in a rectangle the length is increased and breadth reduced by 2 meters, the area is reduced by 28 square meters. If the length is reduced by 1 meter and breadth increased by 2 meters, then the area increases by 33 square meters. What is the length and breadth of such a rectangle? So we have been given a rectangle which is of unknown length and breadth, which we have to find it out. The conditions we have been given is, if the length is increased by 2 meters and breadth is reduced by 2 meters, then the area is reduced by 28 square meters. That is our first condition. The second condition, if the length is reduced by 1 meter and breadth increased by 2 meters, then the area increases by 33 square meters. We have to find out length and breadth. So since it is an MCQ, we can start with one condition, get that condition and try to apply it in the options whatever we have. We should be able to finish the problem quickly. So we'll try to do this in both objectively and subjectively. That means we'll consider it as an MCQ and also as non-MCQ. That's a subjective question. So let's go ahead and write down in a rectangle. So I'll take a small rectangle. This is my rectangle. Length is L, breadth is B, area equals to LB. This is the original scenario. Now length is increased by 2 meters and breadth decreased by 2 meters. So I'll take this scenario. Now I have length increased by 2, L plus 2, breadth decreased by 2 or reduced by 2, so B minus 2. In that scenario, the area is reduced by 28 square meters. Area will become A, whatever we have earlier, minus 28. In the third scenario, we have length reduced by 1 meter and breadth increased by 2 meters. Length reduced by 1, L minus 1, breadth increased by 2, B plus 2. In this scenario, the area increases by 33. So area will become A plus 33. Now, this will give us our first condition. This will give us our second condition. Two linear equations in two variables. When we solve them, we will be getting the length and breadth. So let's write down the first condition. Area in the second scenario is given by length became L plus 2, breadth became B minus 2, and that is equals to original area, which is LB minus 28. Let's open the brackets. We'll have L, my LB minus 2L plus 2B minus 4 equals to LB minus 28. I can cancel LB and LB. That will give me 2L plus 2L minus 2B. If I can take 2L, 2B to right hand side and get 28 to here, I'll have 2L minus 2B is 24, or L minus B equals to 12. If it is an MCQ, I'll stop here. I'll not continue with the problem. I'll go to the options and check whether this condition will help me to rule out. Length is greater than breadth and L minus B is 12. So these two are ruled out because length is less than breadth. And the difference between length and breadth is 12. So there is only one which is satisfying the condition L minus B equals to 12. So that is option D. Now suppose let us say this is not an MCQ, then how will we move forward? We have to go to the second condition and then we have to get another linear equation in two variable, solve them so that we can get length equals to 23 and breadth equals to 11. Let's have a look at that. Second condition. In the second condition, length is reduced by 1. So area is length into breadth. Now the revised length is L minus 1. And the breadth is increased by 2, B plus 2. That is equals to area LB increased by 33 square units. So LB plus 33. Let's open the brackets. We'll have L into B LB plus 2L minus B minus 2 equals to LB plus 33. We can cancel LB and LB. What we will have is 2L minus B equals to 35. Now 2L minus B equals to 35 is our second condition. So we have 1 and we have 2 conditions now. So we have to solve them so that we can get the values of L and B. So let's go ahead and write down. We have L minus B is 12. We also know 2L minus B is 35. But what is 2L minus B? L plus L minus B equals to 35. L equals to 35 minus of 12, which is equals to 23. So length equals to 23, that means breadth equals to 23 minus 12, which is equals to 11 meters. So L equals to 23 meters and breadth equals to 11 meters. Let's have a recap of this problem. We have been given that in a rectangle, if the length is increased and breadth is reduced by 2 meters, then the area becomes original area minus 28. In the second scenario, if the length is reduced by 1 meter and breadth is increased by 2 meters, area increases by 33 square meters. If the original area is capital A, then the area will become A plus 33. We have to find out the length and breadth. If it is an MCQ, try to get one condition and substitute in the options, because we have to finish the MCQs very quickly. We don't need to write down the steps from beginning to ending like a subjective question, answer, and write down all the steps and solve them. So in MCQs, sometimes we have to start with the options and see how the options will help us to solve the problem easily. Now when we solve this problem, we got from the first condition L minus B equals to 12. Then we went to the options and we ruled out all the options other than D. D is the only one which is satisfying this condition. So that means even though I solve the question subjectively, finally my answer will be length equals to 23 and breadth equals to 11 only. If suppose in the options only you have another option like length equals to 24, breadth equals to 12, that means L minus B is 12 is satisfied by two options, then there is no other way for you. You have to go for the second condition and solve them.